So my beautiful people, today we're going to talk about the Adams Polishes Headlight Restoration Kit. I unboxed this a few videos ago, but I haven't had a chance to use it yet or show you how to use it yet because my headlights are pretty much brand new, which calls for an adventure. It calls for an adventure, and well, there's only one thing I can think of. Since it's the holidays, let's head to Oregon. What we're going to do is to restore these headlights is take the small backing plate, and the nice thing about this backing plate is it actually attaches to pretty much any cordless drill, so you don't actually have to have an expensive polisher to use this kit. Because the headlights are pretty bad, we're going to use the microfiber cutting pad with our polish. So there we're just going to take a couple squirts of the detail spray and prime our pad like that, get it nice and get the hairs all standing up. Then we're going to take our heavy correcting compound. We're going to do probably 4 little pea-size things there. We're going to work the product into the pad initially, like so, just to get a nice even amount, and then we'll put a tiny pea-sized dab on. Then we'll go over to the headlights and start step 1. So over here you can see these headlights are pretty bad. This is a what, 2003? 2004. So we've never really done anything with these headlights, and you can see years of kind of salt and road grime have really taken them down to a bad place. So we're going to start on this side and do a half and half so we can see how it turns out afterwards. But first thing we're going to do is we're going to kind of move the polish around the light, and then we'll probably put this to the lowest setting, which I think would be 1, and we're just going to kind of work the product in and try to cut off a lot of this haze that you see. So. One other important thing is while you're using the cutting pad, you see it kind of, all the microfiber little things kind of sit down like that. You want to come in once in a while and just kind of agitate it back up so that the pad is standing up like that again, and you get a lot more cutting power from the pad. Back to the headlights. So once you're done with the correcting compound with your microfiber pad, we're going to switch over to a white pad, add a little product onto it, which is the finishing pad and the finishing polish. As you can see, I've already spread it over the light. So we'll do the same thing. Work in a side-to-side motion, and you can see already how the light's coming. What that'll do is put a final layer of protection to help protect the lens from future problems, And when we give it a final wipe, you can see it came out much clearer. Now you'll see, so there's a little hazing here, which we believe is on the inside of the lens. And I actually did take a very fine sanding block and very, very lightly just kind of help it, just because this was an extreme case. These hadn't been treated in 14 years. So as you can see, for a pretty low amount of money and a couple of minutes in your garage, you can get a very, very badly faded set of headlights, you know, relatively good again. So we made it to Oregon, back to the homestead with the dogs, the new dogs, and Grandpa blessed us with this salt shooting gun, so we're gonna try it out. But man, the air is crisper, the community is smaller. It's just nice, but it's kind of chilly. It's kind of chilly, but I'm still getting used to these guys following me around everywhere we go. Hi guys, oh, the dog vlog is back. The dog vlog is back. Oh boy. Oh, it's not powerful at all. Try it again. Nope. Push the safety down, yeah. Did we? Oh, look, it just leaves a small splatter right there. That's funny.
All right,
Here,
well.
shoot my hand.
From where? How far away? You ready?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, it's not bad.
I saw it.
That's funny.
Oh. It works.
Hey, Maxie. Hey, Maxie. What are you doing? What are you doing? What are you doing? So guys, that is going to complete this video. Thank you so much to Adams Polishes for helping us out with the headlight restoration kit. The Audi All-Road definitely needed it, and it's definitely much appreciated now. It's snowing, it's Christmas, we're going to go spend some family time together. Thank you so much for watching. Please do click the like button, it helps other people find the video. Hit subscribe if you want to see more of these and other automotive-based videos. And other than that, say goodbye to the dogs, and we'll see you next video. Bye, buddy.